with another video. Today we are going to compare this Nova hair dryer and a Phillips hair dryer. So we have these two Nova hair dryers and 1000 watt Phillips hair dryer. Let's begin with Nova hair dryer. This hair dryer you can buy for around 200 rupees. It's a 1000 watt hair dryer. Let's see what's inside. The plastic enclosure looks a bit low quality one. Let's check how it works. It's actually doing enough here. Rating is also okay. This is position number 1 and this is position number 2. Position number 2 gives the highest speed, and position number 2 also the heater starts working. Position number 1 blows cold air. I feel this has enough heat and air blowing power to be used as a hair dryer, so it's an okay item. A 6-blade fan is used here. 1 ampere diodes. The heating coil is connected in series with the bridge rectifier here. The heating coil also acts as a voltage dropper and resistance for the motor. The switch we can see, I have used a diode here to reduce the speed on position 1 and 2. On position 1 you get the connection through the diode which works as a half cycle, and when you put on position 2 you give a directed connection which works as a full cycle and gives more speed to the motor. This is either a 12 volt or 24 volt motor. It's not mentioned here. And these are usually high speed motor. This model does not have a heat shield around the coil, so don't use it more than 1-2 minutes at a time. Plug and cable quality looks fine. Now let's see this 1200 watt model of Prime series. This comes for around 400 rupees, 350 to 400, and the quality of this plastic is much better. This model comes with this extra attachment. This model also have two heat setting, hot and cold, but on setting 1 you will get a mild hot air, and setting 2 you will get full hot air. Airflow is very high, you can see from the noise of fan. ampere switch. This one also comes with a 6-blade fan. Faceplate is made of metal, maybe tin or aluminum. You can see a heat insulator is provided in this one. We can see here are two coils, one is thicker and one is thinner. Switch and coil are again connected in series with the bridge rectifier here, which is going to the high speed motor. On position 1, the supply goes through both the coils, and on position 2, supply goes through the thicker coil, which generates more heat. The bridge rectifier diodes are soldered on the motor itself. You can see here there are 4 diodes, 1 ampere diodes. This model also looks like have a thermostat under the coil there. You can see the motor coil here. It's a 24-volt motor. Let's see this Phillips one. This is priced anywhere from 700 to 800. This is a 1000 watt model. Let's see how much difference is from the Nova one. The outer casing is made of good quality plastic, and this also comes with a front attachment. For directional airflow, you can use this front attachment. The wire coil quality is also very good. A 10 ampere plug has been provided. This has two heat settings, one is medium and one is high, and airflow is also very high, as you can see here. Now we have this heat insulator material here. I have this front mesh made of aluminum. The Phillips model comes with a 7-blade fan. Total we have 7 blades here, which will give more airflow. And we can see the coil. This has a thick coil here. We can also see a thermostat here under the coil. On the back side we have a metal mesh here, metal wire mesh. Fan casing and blades are made of tough plastic. Coil is here again connected to two positions of the switch in similar way. In position 1 it hits the half the coil. In position 2 it hits the full coil. So you get more heat. A 6.5 ampere switch is provided. We can also see two capacitors connected to the supply of motor for filtering the DC from the bridge rectifiers.